Heirloom really is the ultimate gift for your family. It's a 13 by 10 leather-bound book. Previously, it used to be 14 by 10, but they've modified the size just ever so slightly. But the quality is unrivaled. There simply isn't any other version out there like this. It's made by my canvas. As you can see, what I do is I basically put it all together for you on my own. Normally it costs about $20,000, $25,000 to get this done by Ancestry pro genealogists. What I do is I put it together myself, and you can see here this is an old promotional video that I put together for it when I started offering these books. But the quality really is unrivaled, and in fact, if you look at, as I said, about Ancestry Pro genealogists, you can see the kind of prices we're talking about, starting as low as they say. The quality of this is exactly the same. The difference is that you can do it yourself. It cost about 200 American dollars to do a 120-page book, which is the lowest number of pages that we do. But it's simply the amount of time it would take. When we started building these books, it would take forever to get them done. And the information in the software that they put together is actually incredibly basic. So there's a lot of extremely complicated stuff that goes into the book that I put together, as you can see from this one for an Australian client. So the difference that you're going to get is you're going to get a world-class quality book at 10% of the price of some of the biggest competitors, and it will last the test of time, as many clients have testified, and you can read their testimonials on the website. So I highly recommend this, and if you want, if you do actually have an extremely large family tree, the 180 pages is the best bet if you can get before the year 1700.